Good evening, welcome back to camp. I'm out here for one reason tonight, and that's to reset my trail cam. On my last visit I noticed the batteries were dead. I spent a great day with my mom this morning and this afternoon, so I just came out quickly to stop at my camp, have something to eat, and then go set my trail cam. Just a quick visit. When I came out here I was planning on having an outside fire, but it's way too windy out there, a bit too dangerous. So tonight's supper is pretty simple, just boiled wieners and Mr. Noodles. I was debating on the noodles or can of beans. I just picked this up at a gas station on my way home after dropping my mom off. Still tasting really good though. I was cleaning out my cast iron pot before I leave. I got exactly an hour and a half before it gets dark. I got my buck urine, my ultimate lithium batteries for my trail cam, some leftovers for bait, so I don't want to stay around too long before it gets dark. So I just made it out to my trail cam. Since my last visit, I raised it up a few feet just so I'm not getting as many leaves in the way. Won't be a problem pretty soon. And I also stuck a couple twigs in the back so it's angled, tilted down a bit. Just going to swap the batteries, change out the SD card, and get out of here. Oh my God, that stuff stinks so bad. Whew. So I deleted everything on the memory card to free it up. I put my little roof back on, keep the snow off. Now I just have to set it. Back to video. All right, so I'm just trying to get out of here as soon as possible before dark. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. If you like our content, feel free to subscribe here and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified as soon as a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching. If you like our content, feel free to subscribe here and don't forget to hit that bell to get notified as soon as a new video are uploaded.
Hey, thanks for watching.
If you like our content,
feel free to subscribe here.
Don't forget to hit that bell.
So you'll get a notification
As soon as a new video is uploaded.
And we hope to
catch you guys on another video.